Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make donuts. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 large egg, and a packet of active dry yeast. Don't forget a 1/2 cup of warm milk and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Having everything ready makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Let's get started on this delicious journey. Now let's mix our ingredients. In a large bowl, combine the flour, sugar, and yeast. Whisk the egg, warm milk, and melted butter in a separate bowl, then add to the dry ingredients. Mix until a shaggy dough forms, then knead it on a lightly floured surface for about 5 to 7 minutes. Place the dough in a greased bowl, cover, and let it rise for 1 hour or until it doubles in size. Once your dough has risen, gently punch it down and roll it out on a floured surface to about 1/2 inch thick. Use a donut cutter or 2 different sized round cutters to create your donut shapes. Heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place a few donuts into the hot oil, frying for 1 to 2 minutes per side until golden brown. Drain on a wire rack. The final step is glazing. In a shallow bowl, whisk together 2 cups of powdered sugar with 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk until smooth. You can also add a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract for extra flavor. While the donuts are still warm, dip each one into the glaze, ensuring it's fully coated. Place them back on the wire rack to set. Now, your delicious homemade donuts are ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.